It was on a random day, our SA texted us, and then it was just a question, hey, do you think you're interested in another mini? I know you love mini. Honestly, what lies in here is a mini. It's one of the very rare colors, and this is something that is kind of hard to come by. I believe the worldwide bag shortage is still a thing, so in America they're not getting enough of everything. Therefore, I feel incredibly thankful to have received this bag offer. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another unboxing video. I know this is March. It's kind of funny because this bag I am going to be unboxing with you guys is actually the third bag that I received so far, which is insane because I didn't know that I could pick up this one. It was just on a random day, our SA texted us, and then it was just a question, hey, do you think you're interested in another mini? I know you love mini. And I'm like, whoa, mini bag is calling my name again. And to be honest with you, I think Hermès minis are not micro sizes like Chanel is doing nowadays. So when I heard the word of mini, I was like, yeah, can we see you soon? Basically, then we arranged an appointment and we took the baby in, and I shared that with you guys on Instagram story. So if you haven't followed my first luxury on Instagram yet, make sure you do, because you'll get the first-hand information of what's going on whenever I go shopping. This bag is the outcome. Honestly, what lies in here is a mini, and it's one of the very rare colors, and this is something that is kind of hard to come by, and people love this. So did it get you further as to guessing what is in here? Okay, let me take the box out. So it just looks like a pair of shoes, right? It's in a pretty normal, regular, and literal shoe box looking orange box. I like how everything is just always put into a standard Hermès orange box. Even for limited edition bags, it's still orange outside, but on the inside is blue. Well, they're so black, everything is literally inside out black. But nonetheless, this is the bag that is in here. And what do you think is in here before we unbox it? I feel incredibly thankful because our SA and us connected pretty well. Honestly, he also witnessed, you know, our family forming journey from when I was pregnant to now. We took the baby shopping with us whenever we go in, and we receive so much love from the store in Beverly Hills. So shout out to you guys. Thank you for always being so kind to us whenever we're in. This bag is a bag that my SA said a color that is really hard to come by, because the color in this silhouette hasn't released a lot, and I believe the worldwide bag shortage is still a thing. So in America, they're not getting enough of everything. Therefore, I feel incredibly thankful to have received this bag offer. Shall we get into the most exciting part and show you guys, first of all, what is in here, and let's go from there.
I want to see you.
So, what do you guys think about her? Doesn't it make you fall in love if you're a pink lover? I mean, even if you don't like pink that much, this kind of neutral pink is just like something that no one can turn down, right? I know she literally looks like a toy box in person because it's standing up so well. I think the very first Lindy I reviewed was a Lindy size 32 or size 30 that I borrowed from my lovely friend Sue, and that bag was really beautiful. And I believe, you know, the trend was a few years ago everyone loved big bags, and I just knew, like, I'm not really a big bag person at heart because I don't really carry a ton of stuff with me, so I've always kind of leaned towards like the medium towards smaller size bags. And then when the mini bag trend hit, I was just like, okay, this is the time of my era. In terms of handbag collecting, when our essay, you know, kind of informed us that a mini something is coming in Rose Sakura, I was just like, wait, what else? Like, how do you remember like Rose Sakura? It's honestly super cool that, you know, you have this a relationship with the person you shop with, and then the person knows kind of what you're going after because you're very clear in that direction. So I think, you know, if you guys are going to start your Hermès journey and build a strong and solid relationship with your salesperson, definitely communicate with them what you like and what your style is. And I think oftentimes that is what comes to their mind when the right bag that you wish for kind of comes through. And if you hear little noises or like lullabies behind me, because my baby's room is right behind this wall and he is trying to take a nap right now, so if you guys hear like a little bit, you know, noises, it's because he is right there trying to get himself to sleep. To go back to this topic, let me formally introduce you the Mini Lindy in Rose Sakura in Swift leather with palladium hardware. And the Mini Lindy goes for $6,800 US currently in 2022. I believe I requested this bag not in this particular color because I didn't know I could even request for it, but I definitely communicated with the SA, you know, Mini Lindy is something that I would love to own and would love to add to my collection. This bag was within our talks sometime last year, and you know, I obviously don't hear anything, but I was extremely lucky with my quota bags. If you guys have followed me on the channel, you know I received 2 amazing and gorgeous and really beautiful quota bags last year. So I was okay. I was at Purse Piece last year with the quota bag and, you know, my mini Evelyns and etc. But this year, and it's just March, you know, we got a call to go in and take a look at a few handbags. A few meaning just 2 because Picotin was requested and then it had arrived, and he said he had a surprise for us. So we went in and he opened the box and this cutie popped up, and I literally had another jaw-dropping moment. Like, just I was at loss for words because I didn't know what to say and how to react. Oh my gosh, like are you introducing me the cousin to my mini Kelly so they can be together? And honestly, it is also very hard to get the colors right in the store because the lighting are very dim. Once it is confirmed, I was just like, okay, let me just get a feeling, and I get all the good jujus from her. Rose Sakura displays beautifully on, I think, all leather ranges, even though some people are hating it on goat skin. But honestly, if you have seen a bag in person, you are going to just be wowed by how perfect this color is. Hermès is honestly very known for colors, and this color is just something that I don't think anybody would turn down. If you will, let me know in the comment section below, and I hope you're being sincere. So this is the reveal of my 3rd leather bag in 2022, just like a quarter through the year, and I feel extremely blessed by my Hermès fairy. And if you guys have followed me, you know that for now I have collected the Mini 2424, a Picotin Lock 18 in the color Beige de Weimar, and then this Rose Sakura in the Mini Lindy size. I think I'm pretty set for the rest of the year in terms of leather, but who knows what's gonna come, because a lot of times it is all about waiting and it's better if you don't think about it. So definitely let me know in the comment section below if you expected to see a Mini Lindy before the unboxing and if you like the Mini Lindy. So yeah, this is it, and I'm just loving it so much, and I'm really happy to be adding this to my collection. And if you don't follow my first luxury on Instagram yet, make sure you check it out, because I'm going to be showing more detailed shots, and that's where I can get creative and get really close with all the photos and stuff. So I hope I see you guys there, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because it really supports the channel, and subscribe if you like any luxury contents, because on the channel I do so many unboxing and in-depth reviews and also luxury insights. Thank you so much for watching today's video and for joining me. I hope to see you on the next video. Take care, guys. Bye.